Hi, I'm Melanie's husband Tim, and she's asked me to record a video about the Moscow Mule's copper cup. I'm actually going to make a Moscow Mule. So I'm going to take my lime and I'm going to squeeze it in there really well. I'm going to take some ice and I assume we could probably do this if you're not somebody who likes to have ice in their drink. You can do this without, but I call for ice. So I'm going to go right with what they're give instructions for. I'm going to add 1.5 ounces of vodka. I went with some Russian Prince vodka. Let's get 1.5 ounces there. And then they call for 4 ounces of ginger beer. I actually picked up some Krabby's original alcoholic ginger beer to give that a little bit of extra punch. And I'm going to take a little garnish of lime. There we are. And here I have myself a Moscow Mule. Cheers all. Oh, that is good.